Every 14 seconds, a ransomware attack hits an enterprise. Ransomware attacks against companies and institutions have more than doubled since 2017, and the figures keep growing. Most attacks have a common target: outdated software. Gartner warns that vulnerability management is the second most important in the top 10 crucial security projects all organizations should focus on. According to EdgeScan, the average time for organizations to close a software vulnerability is 67 days, while Ponemon reports that 37% of organizations admit they don't even scan for vulnerabilities. Even after a breach or a failed audit, it takes companies more than 10 days to fix the problem. Patching is difficult and time-consuming in the lack of an automated solution, especially in large organizations. How do you mitigate vulnerabilities efficiently without straining your resources and employees? Discover how Heimdal Patch and Asset Management and its unique Infinity Management add-on take vulnerability and patch management to the next level by proactively closing security gaps in your environment before they can be used by attackers. With more than 2 million vital patches applied every month, Heimdal Patch and Asset Management lets you move beyond SCCM or WSUS for rapid deployment of security-critical software and patches and updates. Looking to deploy both Microsoft and third-party software on the fly from anywhere in the world and according to any schedule? With Heimdal Patch and Asset Management, you have granular control over your software inventory. You achieve flawless data compliance with a full CVE/CVSS audit trail and benefit from preemptive vulnerability management to prevent attacks before they hit your organization. All updates are delivered from the cloud to your endpoints locally, on the spot or according to any schedule, using encrypted packages inside an encrypted HTTPS transfer. Distribution is further optimized using only local network P2P between your own machines. The built-in Unified Software Center also allows you to remove admin rights, allowing users to click and install only approved apps. With the Infinity Management add-on, you can also deploy your own proprietary software and updates from the unified Heimdal Patch and Asset Management interface and through our secure servers. Watch how these updates are being installed securely across thousands of endpoints, anywhere in the world, with just a few clicks. Achieve compliance, mitigate exploits, close vulnerabilities, deploy updates, and install software on the fly. Anything, anytime, and anywhere in the world. Get in touch today for a free demo and step into a new era of compliance and vulnerability management.